Oh my goodness, that sausage has cheese in it. There's cheese in the sausage. It's like an Asian Kransky. Surprisingly, pretty tasty. We are at the world's biggest self-serve instant ramen noodle shop. Look at this, it's literally like heaven. Holly, how am I gonna choose? I wanna eat them all. What's this? I don't even know what half of them are. This looks good. Korean hot chili beef. That sounds excellent. Lobster flavor, I like that. Cheese, I need like a cheesy one. I don't know what it is, but we'll try it. Definitely need one of these. It's like head size. Look at all these toppings you can choose. Oh my goodness, this is so cute. Totally getting those. Is that like a lobster claw?
Think you might have gone a little overboard or?
No, not overboard at all. How many noodles can Marion eat? Is this a challenge video? Okay. Oh my God, there's so many to cook. Oh, it's really boiling. Okay, should we put lobster in this one? Look at all this stuff in here. This heats itself. Oh my goodness. I'm literally mind blown. So I've put the heating element under here, just with some regular temperature water. I've got all my soup ingredients on the top, and then apparently when I put the lid on, it's going to magically turn into noodle soup. Does it feel like it's getting hot? Oh! I can feel it bubbling. It's like bubbling in there. Oh, I like that. It's really salty and like savory, but like that extra oozy cheese is actually really good. Chunks of beef in there. Wow. Oh, it's got like a little bit of a spicy kick to it. Almost like a little bit of like a sesame flavor to it as well. A good noodle. This one, what's this one? Tan Man, one of my favorite Japanese ramen soups. This one's like creamy and like a little bit peanutty in flavor. That soup's really yum. I don't know what this one is, so it's a surprise. This was the prawn one. It's seafoody, prawny. This one looks hot. Yes, there's a sausage in there. Oh my goodness, that sausage has cheese in it. It's like an Asian Kransky. I don't hate it. I'm not mad about it. Surprisingly, pretty tasty. This one tastes Korean too. It's like a little bit gochujang kind of flavored. I'm really into the Kransky though. Lobster, my little lobster claw. I gotta say, the lobster is more like a lobster shape. It's kind of like a fish cake that looks like a lobster. They've done a very good job of making it look lobstery though. It's pretty good. Now, I put bacon in here and I put some of these fun little guys in here too. I think it's really cute. That's the Tom Yum noodle soup flavor. That one is yum. I feel like this is the most generic tasting one. It kind of just tastes like chicken noodles or something. Oh. Let's not kid ourselves, like this is instant noodles, so you're not really expecting something really gourmet. I gotta say though, this one looks like it's not an instant noodle soup. I think these look like sweet potato noodles because they're that translucent color. Oh my goodness, this is so yum. Like a Szechuan hot pot flavor. It's like numbing and tingling. It's really spicy, but in a really good way. I think if you closed your eyes and ate this, you wouldn't even know it was like an instant noodle soup. It's really good. I'm literally gonna turn into a noodle if I eat any more noodles.